Good morning. This is us checked out of the hotel. And we have got a very fun day planned today. So we are now getting into some of the best biking areas in northern Thailand. The area around Nan. Yeah, it's got some epic roads, and did some research last night and Gaz has found two amazing spots. The first one we're going to head towards has been rated by GT Rider as the most epic place to ride in Thailand. And then the second spot we're going to head towards has been voted as one of the best roads to ride in Thailand. So, you know, I don't know what the difference is. I'm sure we're going to find out. Super high up into the mountains. I got a feeling many an epic viewpoint. Look at that! Wow! Woohoo! Yeah, this is stunningly beautiful. Soundy, have you got coffee? This one looks nice. Yep, just one. Well, so far we've done 1 hour and it's been spectacular. As I said, it's been reviewed as stunning. I believe the word was stunning or spectacular, one of the two. And it's not disappointed so far, and we're probably just maybe an eighth of the way through the actual riding. So there's so much more to do, and we're going to come to a stop-off point in a minute where we get the option of going all the way around, or there's one that cuts through the centre of the mountain itself. So we'll pull over in about 10 minutes and make a decision on that. Right, so we just stopped off literally for 10 minutes, but what we decided is we fancy a little bit of something different now. So we're going to take the super twisty mountain road and check that one out. So off we go. Let's check out this road and see what this one's got to offer. come down out of a mountain. Really cool, amazing views. But yeah, we're about halfway through today. Loving it. Right, so we are now coming on to the second epic road of today. So this is a 1148, so let's give it a go. Gaz versus the Triumph Bobber. Who's going to win? And off we go. That was a bit of a crappy race. I've been riding for 5 hours now. And mentally drained, bums are hurting, so boop, the KFC. We're gonna have some comfort food, have a bit of a break, and then figure out where we're gonna stay tonight. Right, belly full of fried chicken. Just coming out of the car park now, fully fueled up, and we have got about 1 hour 30 minutes. We're gonna head north up towards the border. So up to the border with Laos, and there's a place just up there on the river, like a border town. Lots of little restaurants, a couple of little bars. So yeah, we're going to crack out an hour and a half on the highway and check out the border town. The border town, which is called here. So we're literally about 2 minutes away from a hotel we found close to the river that separates Thailand from Laos. This looks like the main high street, busier than I was expecting though. Wow, very colourful. I like it. This is it. Riverside Hotel. Right, not booked a room, so fingers crossed they can accommodate us. Oh. We're gonna park here. Phew, let's get checked in.